Hey guys, welcome back. Justin here. I'm out in Old Town Scottsdale today. Looks like things are kind of coming back to life here. That fountain there has water in it now, first time in over a month and a half. So things are looking up. I got the Gopro Hero 7 Black mounted to the roof of a Typhon 6S. This is like a V3. And let's see, I'm running GRP S5 compounds, running 6S. I have an 18 tooth pinion gear. This thing is pretty bone stock and it rips ass. So hopefully this will all turn out pretty cool. First go around, so we'll see. Alright, that's it for the 6S Typhon. I have a ESC fan, it's not working, so I'm not gonna get it too hot. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna get out and get some more bashing videos up. I've been really busy here working on our store, so there you have it. It is coming along, slowly but surely. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna get out, get some good bash videos coming up. Get the Creighton, oh here, I'll show you those too. I got the Creighton and the MT410 over here sitting in the corner. Just ready to go out bashing. I'm just waiting on the boss lady to give me the go-ahead. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was a short one. I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and have a great day.